Do you ever feel like your software is the boss? Let's talk about Zoho Projects Infinity. It's here to flip that script. Let me ask you this. Are you constantly having to work around your software's limitations? For way too long, that's just been the reality. Teams have had to adapt themselves to the tool. Well, Zoho Projects Infinity is here to change all that. It's about making the tool adapt to you for once. It's time to break free from that whole workaround culture and, actually simplify your work. So, how does it do it? Well, it all starts with what they call radical customization. Let's dive in. So, instead of those rigid, one-size-fits-all tools, you get something actually built for your team's needs. I mean, think about it. Your marketing and operations teams have totally different needs, right? You can literally build your own modules. Just drag, drop, and you're done. No more clunky spreadsheets. And this flexibility? It doesn't just stop there. It also extends to your reports. So you can finally ditch those complex graphs, the ones that make you squint, and tables nobody even asked for. You get to build your report with the fields, filters, and format that you actually define. And your dashboards, well, they should answer your questions at a single glance, shouldn't they? This means custom views for everyone. Team leads, leadership, they all see what matters most to them. Okay, on to the second big idea here, working smarter with some seriously integrated AI. But how does this AI actually help you on a daily basis? What does it really do? For starters, it can generate summaries, suggest new tasks, and even automate routine updates. Pretty neat. The magic behind this is called Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of it as an intelligent layer for your data. So instead of just reacting, the system helps you be proactive. It gives the AI real project context. And looking ahead, we're talking AI agents that help with the heavy lifting, like resource and budget planning. I mean, it just makes sense, right? When your projects don't fit in a box, why should your tool? So you can take back control with custom modules, team-specific reports, and that super smart AI. Ultimately, it's about building your projects your way. That's really the whole idea right there. So, the only question left is, are you ready to finally take back control?